How to troubleshoot Filto app not working or crashing. First of all, make sure your device has a stable internet connection, as Filto requires internet to function properly. Next, check if you are using the latest version of the Filto app. If the app keeps crashing or not opening, try restarting your device to clear temporary issues. You can also clear the Filto app cache by going to your device settings, then apps, selecting Filto, going to storage and tapping clear cache. This step can resolve many common problems. If the issue still persists, uninstall and reinstall the Filto app to ensure a fresh installation without corrupted files. Sometimes slow device storage or outdated operating systems cause apps to crash, so make sure you have enough space and your system is updated. Lastly, if none of these steps work, you can contact Filto's support team through the app or their official website for further assistance. Now you know how to troubleshoot Filto app not working or crashing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.